Greetings. Welcome to Just One Good Trade, the trading channel in which you get to see me, Gerard, the head trader of Just One Good Trade, enter exit trades. You will get to hear me talk about my strategy, my analysis. Why do I get inside trades? Why do I exit trades? What my prediction might be, and why, especially why I exit trades. The more I do this, the more I've been trading. I've been trading for 8 years, profitable for four now, and I realized that there's two things that the market does. There's two things that you have to focus on. The market goes up and down, always. Now it's a matter of actually three things. The market goes up and down. How long does it go up and down for? And what is the intensity of the momentum of the movement? Those three factors will define your entries and, more importantly, your exits. Because just like a great philosopher and Denzel Washington movie once said, when you exit while you're winning, it's not quitting. And a great song in the country catalog also says, gotta know when to fold. Right now, looking at the market from 5 a.m. today, from 5 a.m., price is 249 to now 263. The market engaged in more than 10, 15 points. 12 to 15 points, I'm not counting because I'm lazy, rise today. And this is looking at this is the micro view of the market, the 400 ticks bar chart. To the 800 ticks, you can tell that price action crossed the moving averages. And in the 800 chart, it's actually on a bullish movement. On the 1200 chart, it just crossed. We don't know if we reverse back, but then let us look at bigger time frames. So for example, 1200, 1300 charts. Now that's an interesting one because this clearly shows that the market as an aggregate has been going down since the 26th. It's been steadily going down. And let's see the prices from 290 all the way down to 250. That's 40 points. Fortunes have been made and lost during those 2 days. Wow. Wahoo. Now we're getting close to 8:30. We all know that I start looking at trades around 8:30, and I will admit, even though my bias, in the short term, it does seem that price action is going up, I'm still seeing a bias for sell trades here. I'm still seeing that the market is not fully crossing, although it's crossing this line, which is, I believe, the 30 period SMA. But let us see. If this reverses into a red candle on the 3600 chart, I think we might get a sell trade. Now let's see the 800 chart. Different story. Price action is crossing all those moving averages. So what could happen here is it crosses it decisively and just continues rising and rising. Let's look at the 400. So now we have an interesting case as well. Let's see. Let's look at see 30. Let's try to go down. Okay. think it might continue going up. Let's just wait and see. Hmm. 830. A very contentious moment because no one truly knows what's going to happen now. But what I'm doing, 831. I love waiting at 832 to really see the market is going to go. Is it going to cross those lines or is it going to continue up? Let's see. It's 3,400. Let's see if it's going to reverse past this. 400, 1,800. It's above the red. So let's see if it's going to cross. But that said, let's stay in the 400 chart. I like the 400 chart. Ideally, let's see if we'll cross that high and continue its motion and enter in the confirmation. We always enter in the confirmation. And for me, confirmation means at least here. 832. Writing a line here. If it crosses this, then I know that it's thinking about a reversal trade. 400. We might get a very short trade up. Not sure. This could be a sign of a reversal. Let's see. Let's say it reversed. And gap here. It wouldn't be, I don't believe it would be a very long reversal. I think it would be a very short one. Let's say if it crosses this decisively, we enter in the confirmation. We just wait to see where it's gonna end. A lot of indecision. 834. Wow, still trying to see what's going to happen. Price action is really trying to pierce that line, but it's not. It's not piercing it. I have a feeling it's going to reverse. But for it to reverse, it has to cross a couple of lines. Oh, wow. It actually crossed this line.
Order filled. Position opened.
Now, let's see if it will continue. Hopefully it will continue. And I should say that, or break-even point is this line here. It has to break this line for us to have a good break-even. And should put, oh wow, it's reversing already. It's reversing already. Let's hope it continues. No, let's go. This. If it breaks this previous low, we should exit. Okay. And hoping it reverses back up. Yeah, sure. Good. Be amazing if at least went past that red line, giving us some salvation. A second try at this trade. Just do it decisively. Cross it. I'm not sure. We might need to exit if it doesn't cross that red line decisively here. Ooh. So green candles, that might be it. Driver from decisiveness. Let's go. Let's break the blue. Let's break the red, go all the way to the green. That'll be amazing if it does that, giving us a second chance, second try to break this. Amazing, a lot of momentum. Break your previous high, the high of this candle. Let's do this. Wow, we might need to exit. Let's go, let's go. Has to break the previous high. Now, okay, I'm gonna exit. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. It touched the previous high. Now let's hope it breaks the actual high, like that green line. Oh man, if it does that, that'd be amazing. Ooh, okay, let's get out. It's not doing it. It's not. Let's go, guys. It's not pushing. 300. We're gonna break the red line. Break it all the way to the green. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All the way to the green. And all the way to that blue up there. Yes, all the way to the green. Let's go. All the way to the green. Let's go, guys. Break it. Okay. I'm gonna put this red because we don't want it to cross back. Nice. Wonderful. Ooh, there's a reversal happening.
There's a reversal happening. See, those lines are very important. Is it gonna break it? Is it gonna reverse back all the way up? Let's hope it does. If it breaks the previous low, the previous candle's low, I'm gonna exit. Let's do this. Let's go. Let's go to the blue. If it went to the blue, that'd be an amazing trade. Break the previous high. That indecision right now. It's getting there and not fully crossing. Yes, let's do it. Let's do it. See, right now, this would be 2 points. If it give us 2 points, that would be amazing. Okay. It's not crossing. I'm pushing this up a little bit. There's a chance it might continue. If it doesn't, we need to exit. Okay, now.
Position closed.
That was a wonderful trade, a good reversal trade. One of the reasons why I exited is, if you see here, it only got here once. It did. Once it went down, went up. Yes, it might. But here we had 1, 2, 3 try, and it didn't do it. So that was too much for me. Trying to break this, just trying to break this level was really, really hard. Now, maybe I should have stayed, but I prefer taking the money as opposed to suffering, going to an insufferable period and just hoping things happen. You are in control. See right now, that's a reversal. But let us see what we could have done a little better. At what time did we enter? We entered at 8:35. 8:35 is around here. We entered here. Now, normally I don't like entering very early, like 8:30. From 8:30, price action went up. 8:31, 8:32, 8:35, 8:35. We probably entered somewhere here. Let me see. Is that still 8:35? Is that somewhere here? Honestly, entering here would have been ideal. That would have been ideal. We enter here, exit, we enter again, and we're good. Now price action is showing sign of possibly going back up. But we're not going to be tempted because we've already had a one good trade. And I'm just very grateful for what we have, what we made, and our discipline. Thank you very much, and make sure you ask me. You send me your questions through the comment and subscribe to this channel if you really understand my strategy and what I'm doing. Like I basically entered because price action broke a couple of channels, a couple of levels, and I look for momentum. And there is also a risk factor, I agree, but then it turns out always well. Thank you again. Have a wonderful day.